Welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today's little project is this crocheted Easter egg. This egg is stuffed, so you will require your yarn, your crochet hook, and whatever stuffing that you want to use for your egg. So please grab that and let's do this. So for the next Easter egg, my little Easter eggs, I'm going to make in one color. If you would like a tutorial on the striped version, just drop me a comment and I will make it and upload it. But for now, because I really need a light green egg, that's what we're going with. You're going to start this project with the magic ring, and I'd like to take this opportunity to invite you to subscribe to my channel. This channel is updated regularly with free videos and patterns just like the one we're doing now. If you are a returning viewer, hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much for the support and watching this video. Once you have your magic ring, chain 1 to secure it. And you're going to make 6 single crochets into this ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm sure you can hear me heavy breathing there. So pull to tighten. But I don't want you to slip stitch to join this. We're going to work this in a continuous round. So a stitch marker like this one, or let me get a piece of yarn like that, will work fine as a stitch marker. So this is row 1 done. Row 2, you're going to make 2 single crochets in each of the 6 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 2. So I'm going to make the first one, and I'm going to immediately put a stitch marker there so I know, okay, this is round 2. Into the same stitch, I'm making another single crochet. And I'm going to make 2 single crochets in each stitch across. When you get to row 2, end of round 2, you'll have 12 single crochets. This is row 2 done. For row 3, you're going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. So I'm making the first one. That's 1. I'm putting my stitch marker back in. Now I'm just going to make 1 single crochet right around. That's 2, 3. Row 3 is done. For row 4, you're going to make 1 single crochet in your first stitch, and please put back the stitch marker. Then in the next stitch, you're going to make 2 single crochets, and that's your pattern. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and you need to complete that right around the row. When you finish round 4, you would have 18 single crochets. For round 5, 1 single crochet in each stitch across. I'm just made the first one, and I'm putting back in the stitch marker. So that's 2, 3. When you're done with row 5, you would still have 18 stitches. Now to do row 6, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Put your stitch marker back in, please. 2 single crochet in the next stitch. And your pattern is 1 single crochet in one stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. When you get to the end of this row, you will have a total of 24 stitches. Rectify this quickly for row 6. Row 6 is 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and 2 single crochets in the third stitch. And that's the pattern throughout. and I'm sure I did not say that. I'm very sure. So please just correct that row. At the end of row 6, you will have 24 stitches. For row 7 to 12, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, you're going to make one single crochet in each stitch. So every row you'll have 24 stitches. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, one single crochet in each stitch across, please. And I'll meet you at the end of row 12. So row 12 is done. For row 13, one single crochet in the first 2 stitches. So I'm going to put the first one in, put my stitch marker on. In the next stitch, I'm going to put another single crochet. Now we're going to single crochet together. I'm going to I want to do this invisibly because I need to reduce the amount of stitches. So only go through the front loop and work your single crochet, front loop and work your single crochet, leave both on yarn over and go through both. And you're going to repeat that. One single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, and then one single crochet, then 2 single crochets together. Again, one single crochet in one stitch, next stitch another single crochet. In the next 2 stitches, this is where you're going to decrease. Only pick up the front loops, one single, pick up a loop from the next one, yarn over and go through both. Again, one single crochet in the next stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, pick up a loop. Remember, go through only the front loops to make your single crochet together. Next stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, one single crochet. The following 2 stitches is going to be single crochet together. Again, one single crochet in one stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch. The following 2 stitches will be single crochet together. And that's the end of round 13. For round 14, you're going to make one single crochet in the very first stitch. And I'm putting back my stitch marker. Then you're going to single crochet together over the next 2 stitches. And your pattern is one single crochet and then single crochet the next 2 stitches together, please. And I'll meet you at the end of this row. This is row 14 done. I'm going to pull my loop nice and long. This is the perfect stage to stuff your egg. So please go ahead and stuff your egg either with polyfill or leftover yarn or scraps of material. Once you've stuffed your egg, remove your stitch marker. And now we're going to single crochet 2 together over the rest of these stitches. So this will be the first one. And I'm going to put back my stitch marker right there. And I'm going to do the same in the next one. And you can see it's getting to be a bit of a tight fit. As best as you can. I put my stitch marker there so I can see where I started on this row. And please do remember that all these tiny projects actually requires us to do quite a bit of counting because of the stitches. Right, so that's my last stitch. Just going to pull it up a bit. Now I'm going to leave quite a bit of tail because I have a big darning needle, so that much will be enough. If you need to, and I'm going to remove, if you need to fill it a bit more, like how I feel mine's needs a bit more filling, now will be a good time to do that. I threaded my yarn onto my darning needle. I'm sure in this last row you can see there's a front loop and there's a back loop. If you can't, please enlarge this video. I'm only going to go in and pick up the front loops. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take out my stitch marker. This is the part I love. And you pull to close. Gently, please. It's amazing that with yarn you actually have to be a tad bit gentle. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to make a knot there. Go back in, come out somewhere else. Don't pull too much, please. It just changes the entire shape of your egg. And I'm going to hide this tail in my work. Again, I'm not pulling a lot. Cut off the excess. Here you have it. Exactly the same. I have another project that I'm going to do with this egg. So that's on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Queen Phoenix out. Peace to all of you guys. And please, when you make a video and you upload it to YouTube, please tag me in it. I'd love to see what you are doing. And you are more than welcome to leave a comment. If you have any advice, more than welcome to leave it in my comments. And leave a like, subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Queen Phoenix out.